Double high, heavy duty warehouse guardrail helps protect all types of equipment. In this particular case, it's a charging station for their electric forklifts. We installed a different size rails. You can get them in anywhere between 2 foot up to 10 foot long rails. And these are 42-inch high posts that anchor into the floor for a heavy-duty, secure installation. These rails actually lift in and out of the saddle brackets, so if you need to get to this area to service the chargers, it's not a problem with lifting the rails out. Otherwise, they stay safe and secure in the guardrail system. Check us out, our heavy-duty guardrail page on cmh-inc.com.